everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my living room slash garden slash whatever. In case you're wondering why I'm wearing the same shirt, of course it is the same day because I am sitting down to record about 30 of these videos all in the same day, because when else am I going to have time to record these? I don't. I've been really working hard to keep content on the channel, but I don't know if it's helping or not. Your guess is as good as mine. Today we're going to be planting another spring blooming bulb. We're going to be planting crocus. Crocus? Crocus? No, that doesn't. It's got to be crocus, right? Today out in the garden I am planting crocus for the very first time. I have no experience with it whatsoever, so I thought I would make a video and show the process of planting this, so in the future we can make a video about how to grow the whole thing once we figure it out and have that experience under our belt. Originally I had bought this crocus to put in my mom's yard, and she was like, I don't want that here, so I guess now it's going to be planted in my yard, which is fun. I love crocus. I love anything like that. I'm here for it. The main reasons I actually chose to plant these bulbs was because I've heard that they naturalize very well, and I'm all about, you know, kind of starting a spring garden full of bulbs that naturalize and multiply themselves. So I ain't gotta be spending money every single year, because let's just be honest, I ain't got the cash to throw at this. I know, shocker, but to plant these, all I'm going to do is I'm going to follow the instructions on the package label. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and dig a trench about probably 3 inches deep, and I am going to plant these accordingly. I am going to plant these a little bit closer together because I do want that kind of look of a mass planting. Even though these allegedly will multiply, I kind of want that instant gratification of a mass planting now, even though I only have about, 25 bulbs. These flowers do get too crowded. I always have the option to dig them up later and move them around and give them more space and all that good stuff. So for now, I'm just going to save as much space as possible, especially in my yard, since my yard is so teeny tiny. I'm just going to cover these back up with soil, and hopefully they should start to bloom in early spring. I've seen crocuses? I've seen these flowers blooming here where I live in very early spring, even late winter. I've seen them popping up from snow, and those attributes are really one of the most exciting things. I am so excited to see that. That's really about it for this video. I know it was a quick one. Hopefully it was somehow helpful. I'm not quite sure if it was. If it was and you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you making new content pretty frequently, trying to grow the channel to 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I don't think it's going to happen, but we can just keep on trying. I hope y'all are having such an amazing day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.